Breaking news in the world of country music as legendary singer Toby Keith passes away at the age of 62 after a brave battle with stomach cancer. Amidst the tributes pouring in, a resurfaced clip from 2005 reveals Taylor Swift's heartfelt praise for Keith, crediting him for giving her the breakthrough she needed in her early career. At just 15 years old, Taylor Swift found herself in the spotlight of a Nashville news feature, months before the release of her debut album. Toby Keith, a major stakeholder in Big Machine Records at the time, played a crucial role in Taylor's early career by signing her to his record label. The resurfaced clip from 2005 captures a teenage Taylor expressing awe at being in the presence of Toby Keith, acknowledging the power and impact he had in the room. Despite Swift's explosive departure from Big Machine Records in 2018, with CEO Scott Borchetta selling her catalog to Scooter Braun, the 2005 clip emphasizes the pivotal role Toby Keith played in Taylor's journey to stardom. Toby Keith's passing at the age of 62 has left a void in the country music world. The singer, known for hits like Should Have Been a Cowboy, fought his battle with stomach cancer with grace and courage. A statement from his social media platforms confirmed his peaceful passing, surrounded by family. Toby Keith's influence extended beyond his own music career. He was a key figure in the country music scene, with a record of selling over 40 million albums. The singer's ventures included a stake in Big Machine Records, the same label that signed Taylor Swift in 2005. The resurfaced clip not only highlights the impact of Toby Keith on Taylor Swift's early career but also serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness within the music industry. Despite the controversies surrounding Swift's departure from Big Machine Records, the acknowledgement of Keith's role in her career remains significant. As we remember Toby Keith's contributions to the world of country music, Taylor Swift's resurfaced praise sheds light on the connections and influences that shape artists' careers. Share your thoughts on this unexpected connection and the legacy of Toby Keith in the comments below. That's a wrap for today's update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more developments in the world of music on Celeb Explore Hub.